Hey everyone, welcome to this section. So in this one, we're going to talk about GUIs or graphical user interfaces, which is a very important and interesting concept. And we're going to talk about a few different things while we actually go through more, interesting concept of the GUIs, because we did talk a little bit about GUIs in the previous sections when we talked about object-oriented programming. But, I just want to kind of go over it a little bit more and, show you some really more interesting stuff with it. We're going to talk about importing modules and different ways to actually import modules and, a few other things that you might want to actually know in case if you, when you get to more complicated projects and you see different ways that people import codes. And also, we're going to talk about a new concept, which is tuples, which we haven't talked about so far, and we will actually cover that. And also, we're going to talk about a little bit more. We're going to get into turtle graphics a little bit more, because that's something I want you to learn a little bit, because it's a very interesting, library, and it's going to be very useful and comes to practice and use a lot in Python. So something that we're going to cover a little bit more so you become more familiar with it. And we're going to talk about RGB colors and everything, which is kind of related to tuples. But finally, we're going to do a really fun project, which is a painting project, which is like a random painting project, which is like we're going to create a program that automatically creates a painting. So very interesting stuff. I look forward to it. It's going to be really fun. So let's get it started and let's talk about some important concepts, and we're going to move forward with the turtle graphics and stuff. So I'll see you in the next one.